Hello everybody. Today we're going to make some skinny oatmeal chocolate chip muffins, and the first ingredient is some bananas that I had in my freezer once they turned brown, and I defrosted them. We're going to start with one banana. Next we're going to put in 1.5 cups of oatmeal, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 3/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk. You can use the vanilla or the plain. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg, and 10 packets of a sweetener of your choice. I'm actually going to use Splenda. I've already taken them and opened them up ahead. 2 heaping spoonfuls of the chocolate PB2, which would be closer to tablespoons. And last of all, I counted out 60 chocolate chips. These are Lily's sugar-free chocolate chips. It's not a lot, but it's enough to just add a touch of chocolate. And now mix. Now we're just going to fill up some muffin tins. This makes about 12 good-sized little muffins, or normal-sized muffins. Now we're going to put these in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes, and we'll have ourselves some yummy, skinny oatmeal chocolate chip muffins.